Hi dear students, welcome back to the physical session of English. In today's session, let me take up a very interesting and very simple concept, the articles. There are altogether three articles we have. They are a and the. They are demonstrative objectives and they are used before a noun. We have three kinds of article. They are definite article and indefinite article. Let us explain what is a definite article. An article which is used to refer particular person or thing is known as definite article. Example, the. Article the is definite article because it is used to point out some particular specific person or thing. Example, the Hindu, the Ganga, the India, and later on we will study with the example. Let me first provide you the meaning of each articles. Next, indefinite article. Let me tell you what an indefinite article is. Indefinite article means an article which is used to, which does not refer any particular person or thing. Example, a and an. A and an is considered as indefinite article because they are used to refer some unspecific, uncertain person or things. So this is about definite article and indefinite article. Let me tell you the selection of a and an in the sentence. We normally use this article when we communicate, when we conversation with us. Even a or an means single or one. A means one, an means one. So why do we have a or an in our English? That we should know. The selection between a and an is determined by sound. Let me tell you when and how we have to use a. Article a, when we have to use. Article a is used before the beginning of a noun with the sounds with the consonant sound. Once again, article a is used before a noun begin with the consonant sound irrespective of whether the word which begin with the consonant letter or vowel letter. One thing you should clear, when you are placing or keeping a before a noun, we must concentrate the sound of the word, sound of the noun. If a word which sounds with the vowel, there we should use an. If a word which sounds with the consonant sound, there we have to use a. So a is used if a word which begin with the consonant sound, not necessarily consonant letter or a vowel letter. Sometimes a consonant letter begin a word, it may be sound with the vowel sound. That's what when we place a, we must keep concentrate the sound, not the letter. For example, a book, a cat, a dog, a bench. Of course, the given words starts with the consonant letter and sounds with the consonant. Of course, we have 21 consonant letter except 5 vowels a, e, I, o, u. Except these 5 letters, rest all 21 letters are considered as a consonant letter. If a word which begin with the consonant letter and consonant sound, there we must use article a. Did you get? Now, I will tell you how to and where we have to use an. An is used before a noun which begin with the vowel sound, not necessarily vowel letter or consonant letter. Once again, an is used before a noun begin with the vowel sound, irrespective of whether the word begin with the vowel letter or consonant letter. Here when we using an, we must concentrate the sound of the word. If the sound of the word begins with the vowel, there we must use an. Did you get? I would like to provide some of the example. An elephant, an orange, an egg, an ink pen. So these are the commonly used example in vowel sounding word. Suppose some words which begin with the consonantal letter but pronounced with the vowel sound. Let me tell you, my friend is a master graduate. Here, master begins with the consonant letter and sounds with the consonant. Thus, I have used here a master graduate. And one more example, my friend is an MLA. Dear student, in the given sentence also, MLA starts with the consonant letter but sounds with the vowel sound. So, when we place a or an, we must concentrate or focus on the sound of the word. MLA. Though M is a consonant letter, but it pronounced with the vowel letter. One more example. We have U. U is considered as vowel letter. But sometimes, in case umbrella, it is pronounced as or sounds as vowel. So we have to use an umbrella. In case university. University is a word which begin with the vowel letter and sounds with the consonant. So we have to use a university, a unity, a European. Though Europe word begin with the letter E, vowel E, but its sound is consonant. So we have to use a European. I have a 1 rupee coin. O is a vowel letter, but when we pronounce one, it gives sound wa. Wa is a consonant sound. I hope you have cleared how to use a or an before the beginning of the noun based on their sound, not necessarily letter. Did you clear? Next, I will tell how to use the definite article the. The is considered as definite article because that is used to refer a particular person or thing. We have to use this the when we refer a particular person or thing. For example, he is the eldest son of our family. Please switch off the TV. We already know that a particular TV is kept on. So, we need to use the before noun when we refer them as a particular noun. And before the object which existed in the world one in number. For example, the sun. We have only one object, the sun, the moon, the earth, the Ganga. So these are the object which available in our nature one in number. In that case, we need to use the before noun. Next, superlative degree. He is the tallest person. He is the strongest person. In those examples, when we refer superlative degrees, we need to use the, definite article. So this is about the definition and selection of a and an. Let us learn more about article with the example which I am going to show in the slides. Look at here, an interview and panel discussion between the teacher and student as displayed here. But before going to the concept, I would like to tell you one thing. THE, the, is pronounced as the before the consonantal sounding word. THE, the, is pronounced before the noun which sounds with the vowel sound. For example, that is the end of the movie. That is the end of the movie. That is the end because end is a vowel sounding word. There we should pronounce THE as a the. Before consonantal sounding word, we have to use the. Did you understand? Yes. Now look at the example which is given here. Teacher, what is your name? How can I help you? Suppose if you go to or visit any institution for the first time, it's a common question which is asked by the recipient who receive you in an institution or in a reception. Student, I am Rohan. I have come here for admission for first PUC. Teacher, do you have an application form? Now, the specified word an is an article. Here we have used an because application, it is sounded with the vowel. The application word sounds with the vowel. Did you understand? Student, yes, I do. Here it is. Teacher, what do your father, mother do? My father is an engineer. Engineer. The sound of the engineer is vowel. So we need to use an before a vowel sounding word. And my mother is a homemaker. Here H consonant letter and it is also sounds with the consonant. So we have to use here a homemaker. Are you alright? Next. Teacher, do you have any brothers and sisters? Yes, I have a younger brother. A younger, yeah, is a consonant sound. So we must use here a younger and an elder sister. Here elder is a vowel sound. So an. Teacher, so you are the second child to your parents. We will arrange for an interview with the principal. Kindly wait for 5 minutes. Here you are the second child. He is already definified. So we have to take your definite article, the second child. Next, an interview. The word interview shows here vowel sound. Of course, we have to use here an. Next, the principal. The principal is the post which is assumed by a person. So, when we refer anyone's designation, we must use the principal, the secretary, the president, the minister. We should not say a principal. Okay, yes, she would arrange the interview with the principal. Kindly wait for 5 minutes. Student, thank you madam. I hope you have understood how to use a and the in a different situation or sentence. Next, we all know that there are two types of articles. I have already explained. Once again, we will review it for your better understanding. Indefinite article are a or an. Definite article the. I already told you why a or an considered as indefinite, because they do not refer any particular person. They are used for unspecific and uncertain things. The is refer to the particular things. A or an means one. Either of these is used before singular, countable, common noun. A boy is sitting on a chair, here one chair, on a chair with the laptop before him. Look at the consonant article used, a chair, a laptop. Chair is a word which sound with the consonant and the laptop also sound with the consonant. She is Sana. She is eating an ice cream. Letter I is vowel letter and the sound of ice shows vowel sound. Of course we have to use an ice cream. I hope you have understood the example. Next, other example for articles, usage of a and an, how we can use them in a different sentence or before nouns. Let us further understand over here. A boy. Boy is a consonantal sound word. An apple. Here apple, vowel sound. Further, a flower. Observe the sound. A garden, a hat, a classroom, a computer, a house, a room, a horse, a nest. So these are the example how to use a before noun which sounds with the consonant. Let us move on to the vowel sounding word. An apple, an ant, an elephant, an eagle, an ink pot, an ice cream, an orange, an opportunity, an umbrella, an usual, etc. So these examples help us how to use vowel, article and before vowel sounding word. What do you mean by usher? A usher is a person who shows people where to sit in a theatre or at a formal event. It's a new word. We can enrich our vocabulary with the help of such strange words. A or an is used before nouns which are singular, countable and common in the sense a or an means one or anyone. That already we discussed. Please get me a chair. On chair. I had an idli and a vada for breakfast. A or an is also used before noun modifies like adjectives in positive degree which describe nouns. In the beginning I said articles are demonstrative adjectives. A chair is one chair. An expensive chair. An expensive. Here it is a vowel sound. So we have to use an. A big idli and a small vada. Next. Example using a before consonants. A good boy, a beautiful flower, a big garden, a costly hat, a spacious classroom, a new computer, a marvelous house, a pessimistic person, a lovely day, a small room. With the help of these examples, we can learn more about how to use a before the consonant sounding word. Next, example using an before vowels. An antique piece, an annual salary, an eloquent speech, an efficient teacher, an intelligent person, an important event, an ordinary girl, an optimistic boy, an unknown place, an unlucky woman. Dear student, here an unknown, here letter, of course we consider this U as vowel letter and here it sounds also vowel. But in case of union, unity, university, though it starts with the vowel letter, but the sound is consonant. That's very important. When you are going to fix a or an, we must focus the sound of the word, not necessarily letters. A word which may begin with the consonant letter or vowel letter, that is not important. The important fact is here sound of the word. Are you clear? One should use a before consonantal sounds and an before vowel sounds, that we already discussed. Vowel is not merely a letter, it is related to sound. Any sound you make with no obstruction of air is called vowel. When we pronounce a particular word, if it is vowel sounding word, we won't obstruct a. For example, orange, honest, honorable, egg, ink, ice. When we pronounce those words, we won't get any obstruction of the a. But whereas when we consonant, any sound you make with the obstruction of air is called a consonant. Chair, we can feel the obstruction of air. Bench, cat, tiger, lemon, laptop. You can practice such words at further. Next, Now look at the use of articles a and below. Few more example. A handsome boy, a housewife, a hectic schedule. Here see a European. Though it is started with the letter vowel letter E, but sound U. U is consonant sound. A university professor, a unique character, a monkey, a BA, a unity, a 1 rupee coin. O. Letter O is a vowel, but it is pronounced as wa. So wa is consonant sound. A one-legged man, a one-sided game. I hope you have understood much more about article with these examples. Look at the another column. An honest. Here H is silent, dear student. It started with the word honest begin with the letter H. Though H is a consonant letter, but it is pronounced with the letter O. We have to pronounce the word honest from O. Here H is silent. And hour. We won't say hour. It is hour. It starts with the O. And honorable. Here also H is silent. We have to start with the O. O is a vowel sound. An elementary level, an untidy room, an unsolved question paper, an empty. Though M is a consonant letter, but here sound is a vowel. So we have to use an MBA graduate, an MLA, an IAS officer, an onion vendor, an orientation program, an obedient student. Note, a or an is used before collective nouns also. Collective noun which refer to the groups. Previous session I told you. So we have a noun, 4 kinds of noun. In that time I told you that they are as proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun. So collective noun refers which refer to the group. For example, team, bunch, bouquet, army. These are the example for collective noun. Look at the example, a bunch of keys. A bunch is here singular. So we have to use a. A means one. So a bunch of keys means one bunch. A team of players. Team is singular. So we have to use a team. A swarm of bees. A jury of judges. A battalion of soldiers. A crowd of people. A flock of sheep. A herd of cattle. A flight of stars. A cluster of eggs, etc. Generally, no articles are used before uncountable nouns. King Solomon was known for wisdom. We have uncountable nouns. For example, water, milk, sugar, tea powder, rice, soil, air, and feeling. These are the uncountable nouns. So before uncountable noun, we should not use articles a or an, because it can be used only for countable nouns. A student, a pen, a chair, a book. Look at here. For wisdom. Wisdom is a unknown, uncountable. She poured oil. Oil is uncountable noun. Did you drink water? We should not use a water, because water is a uncountable. We can't divide or count it. Children need love and care, feelings. Justice delayed is justice denied. But here is an exception. I have a headache, but still I gave him an assurance that I would attend the party. Some cases we have to use articles before uncountable nouns. An assurance. She has a cold and a fever. There is a severe pain in my back. Please don't make a noise. There was a disturbance when the lecture was going on. With these examples, we also learned we have to use article before uncountable also according to the situation. use of the definite article. When there is the use of the, both the speaker and listener should be aware of the specific thing or things referred to. The is used before the names. For example, the king, the India, the Hindu religion, the Islam, the Christian, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita, name of the epics. See, specific things. For example, the Himalaya, the sun, the desert, the river, lakes, rivers, seas and ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and holy books, the Bible, the Quran, famous buildings, the Golgumbas, the desert, the Hindu, the violin before the instruments. The is used before superlatives and before ordinal numbers. The best, superlative, the best, the greatest, the tallest, the smallest. In those examples, we need to use the. The first, the second, ordinal numbers, the fourth. That we regularly, day to day, we use such example. The is used as an adverb in a comparative form when we compare others. See, the sooner, the better, the faster you go, the quicker you reach. The plus singular noun can represent a class of animals or things. If you want to refer a particular animal which also represents the entire class. For example, the tiger is a ferocious animal. Here, the tiger refers, that is not refer a single tiger. The tiger refers entire class of tiger family. All tigers are ferocious. Did you get? The tiger means here not a single tiger. It refers the whole class of tiger family. The tiger is our national animal. It is not about one tiger. The refrigerator has made life easier for housewives. Already we know how that made our life so easier by refrigerator. It is already we know. So we have to use the refrigerator because that is already definified over there. Note, when man represents the human race, no article is taken. When we refer a man into the race of human being, no need to use articles. The plus adjective represent a class of person. Example, the old, the rich, the youth, etc. Before the adjective also we have to use the. See here, the green. We know already here which color apple and is there here. So the green apple and the red apple. It was already definified. The principal. We already know a particular person who sat there as a principal. The father of our nation, definified. The sky, as we have only one sky, so it must be used the sky. Next, now name these things. They are the holy books, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the national flag, the tiger, the peacock, because they symbolizes the entire nation. The ocean, the violin, the Times of India, these are the newspapers' name. Match the groups of words under column A and B to make acceptable sentence. I hope you have learnt about the usage of A and the. Now it is very easy for you to match the given column A to B. See, he is an honest man. Here an is there, it should be vowel sounding word. She is playing the violin now. We buy fish by the kilo. She is in a one-piece swimsuit. He is playing tennis now. Fish sells at rupees 10 a kilo. Do you understand how to match the words, the sentence which is given in the column A with the column B. Match the group of words same. Complete the sentence using one of the following words and use a or an wherever necessary. Look at the option which is given: biscuit, blood, court, decision, electricity, key, question, sugar. It wasn't the fault, it was an accident. Listen, can you hear music? I couldn't get into the house because I did not have a key. Do you understand? It is very warm today. Why are you wearing a coat? Do you take sugar in your coffee? We should not use here article because sugar is uncountable. Are you hungry? Would you like a biscuit with your coffee? Our lives would be very difficult without electricity. The heart pumps blood through the body. Excuse me, can I ask you a question? We can't delay much longer. We have to make it soon. So dear students, in today's session we have learnt about articles a and the. We have also learnt indefinite article and definite article, how to use them before the word which sounds with the consonant or vowel. Everything we have learnt. Thus I wind up this session. Thank you students.